Want to start a high-income AI business in 2025? You don't need to know how to code. You don't even need a budget. Today, I'll show you 7 powerful AI business ideas anyone can start right from your laptop. First, consider an AI-powered content creation agency. Use tools like ChatGPT or Jasper AI. You can offer services like blog writing and email marketing. Businesses pay hundreds to thousands per month for quality content, and you won't write a single word yourself. Next is faceless YouTube automation. Leverage tools like Pictory and ElevenLabs. Pick a niche, automate scripts, voiceovers, and visuals. Some channels earn 5 to 6 figures monthly without ever showing your face. Then think about becoming an AI social media manager. Manage platforms like Instagram, LinkedIn, or TikTok for clients. Use ChatGPT for captions, Canva for visuals, and schedule everything with Buffer. 3 clients can potentially earn you $2,000 per month or more. You could also help with AI-powered resume and cover letter services. Use ChatGPT to create personalized documents for job seekers. Charge between $50 to $200 per client with minimal tech skills. Consider becoming an AI course creator. Utilize ChatGPT to develop course outlines, slides, and quizzes. Sell your course on platforms like Teachable or Gumroad. Choose trending topics like AI tools or productivity to attract buyers. Next, create AI-driven Instagram theme pages. Generate viral niche content and monetize through affiliate links or shoutouts. Mix ChatGPT, Canva, and popular audio for easy content creation. Lastly, think about starting an AI-powered digital product shop. Make and sell items like planners or templates using AI tools. Design once and sell indefinitely on sites like Gumroad or Etsy. No coding or capital is needed, just smart tools and creativity. So which AI business will you start in 2025? Drop a comment below and subscribe for more AI business hacks.